All have done, right? Okay, good. Then, so next is deleting a file, right? Next is deleting a file, right? Let's see how to delete a file. To do that, I'm going to give the chance to another one in the class. Actually, I'll show you a magic as well. So let's say who's the lucky person. So don't, actually, those who have done previously, don't share. So anyone else can share now.
Sir, the ones who have shared the screen cannot share the screen, sir.
Yeah. So let's give the chance to someone, right? Someone else. Okay, if they are not taking, I'll give you back. So if they are not taking the chance, I can give you back. So yes. Okay. Right. So seems others are not taking the chance. Right, it's okay. Right, let's see. Okay, first thing is, okay, you are going to delete the file. So first of all, please go to your recycle bin, Pute. So first of all, please go to your recycle bin. That is where the deleted files are there. Right, because I just want to empty that. Okay, just delete the file from there. Just delete. Or you can right click on the recycle bin and press empty recycle bin. Here you can see empty recycle bin, or delete it. Okay, when you delete the file, okay, first of all, I would like to show you that when you delete a file, what will happen? Okay, just right click on any file in the desktop. Just go to the desktop by pressing Windows key and D key. Windows key, D key. The easiest way. Windows key and D key. Windows key එක D key එක එකපාර press කරාම desktop එකට යනවා. Windows key and D key. That is the easiest way to go to the desktop. Okay, after going to the desktop, can you click a file and delete? Yes, click there. You can click any file. Click on any file, right click on any file and delete. Don't worry, it won't be deleted. Right click. If you are not sure, take a copy. Right? Copy and paste before deleting. Then you have another copy, right? Just have a copy first. So I'll just take a copy and have that. Okay, paste it again. Control V to paste. Control V to paste. Okay, now you have the file. But duplicate එක පේන්නේ නැහැ. මං හිතනවා හැදෙන්නේ නැති කියලා. Right, okay. Okay, right click and delete the file now. Right click and delete the file now. Right, when you delete, it will go to the recycle bin. So now just go and double click on the recycle bin. Then you can see the deleted file is there. Deleted file is not actually deleting. It's going to the recycle bin. So what is recycle bin? I just want to ask that. What is recycle bin? Yes? Can anyone tell? What is recycle bin? What is that? Right. Recycle bin.
If a user accidentally delete a file or folder, the recycle bin helps the user to
yeah, recycle bin is the place, right? Recycle bin is the place when you delete a file, it will basically go to the recycle bin. When you delete a file, it will first go to the recycle bin. It's not permanently deleted, right? It's go to the recycle bin. Actually, recycle bin is none other than special folder. Okay, recycle bin is none other than special folder. Then I'm going to show that, right? I'm going to show that now. Okay, so see in your chat, Pute, just go and see in your chat, right? I have sent special code. I have sent you special code, right? Now right click in your in the chat. Right click on desktop or somewhere and create a folder. Then right click on the folder. Just right click, create a folder. Right click, new folder. Right, okay. Now copy the code that I have given. දැන් මම අර එවල තියෙන code එක chat එකේ copy එකක් දාගන්න. ඔන්න chat එකට මම code එකක් එවල දුන්නා ඒක copy කරගන්න. Just take a copy of that code. Done? හරිද? Chat එකට මම එවල තියෙන
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please copy that. And now go to the new folder and rename it. Right click, rename. Right click on the new folder and rename. Rename. After the name, put a dot. Namata passe dot එකක් තියලා just put a dot after the name. නම මකන්න එපා. නම තියේදී මොකක් හරි නමක් ගහන්නකො ABC කියලා ගහන්නකො. ABC dot dot. Now paste the code that I have given. Now that is the magic. And press enter. And press enter. Okay, what it says, a name cannot correct. Do you have any slashes? Okay, Karanba, just click OK.
My one is also the same.
Even the same error.
Yes.
Okay, right click again, create a new folder. Right click again, create a new folder. New folder. Put a dot. Put a dot. A dot or something dot. Dot. Then give that name. Paste that. Control V. Control V to paste. Okay, paste it. Anyone else get in the same error? Okay, just
No,
others?
my folder turned into a recycle bin.
Yes, that's what I want to see, right? I think something wrong. You have put a wrong character, it seems. Okay,
Sir, can you again tell me how to do that?
yeah. So please use this code and see whether you are having a different character, it seems like. That is the error. Right click, new folder, create a folder. And after that, please give the code that I have given. Code එකක් එවලා තියෙනවා, ඒ code එක දෙන්න. Name එකේ අගට. So it should happen, right? So how many of you are getting a recycle bin?
I got one, sir.
Oh, you got one. Right, okay. Can you raise your hand? Whereon you got one, okay. So this is Pute. So can you just see the message again? What a balani message I said. Rename again. Okay, only Whereon got that. Others not. Heart of the
No, sir, my one didn't.
where පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න පොතේ ඒකේ එන්නේ මැසේජ් එක බලන්න. ඔයා ඔය කැරක්ටර්ස් කොහේ හරි ගහලා තියෙනවද? ඔය කියන කැරක්ටර්ස් මැසේජ් එකේ එන කැරක්ටර්ස් කොහේ හරි ගහලා තියෙනවද කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒක වාගේ අතින් පේස්ට් වෙනකොට මම හිතන්නේ ඇඩිෂනල් කැරක්ටර් එකක් එන ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙන්නේ. Okay. Again try, give the name. After that, after the name, just put a dot and paste that. Control V, press Control V. Then backspace එකෙන් මකන්න කොයා සමහරට additional characters තියෙන්න පුළුවන් මකන්න. Backspace එකෙන්. පොඩ backspace කරන්න සුහාර. Backspace character එකෙන් මකන්න වාගේ මට පේන්නේ වැඩිපුර characters. නෑ ඒ සංගලවරාන ඕන. You need that bracket, curly brace. Curly brace එක තියන්න. Curly brace එක තියන්න. හරි enter කරන්න. Right, okay, you are getting that. You're getting that. Like so right click and refresh that. You are getting, but
Can I screen sir?
Yes, those who කාටද හම්බුනේ හරි කී කාටද කියන ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් share කරන්න බලන්න. Then others can see how they are doing and their mistakes. Who got the stream? Can you share the stream? Yeah, we're on. Okay. Right click. See how he's doing, right? New folder. He's creating the folder. After that, give in a name, put a dot, and paste in that. Oh, not that. You have to paste. Yes. So we're on. What has happened? Rename. Okay. After that, dot, and then that value. You can see, right? It's creating a recycle bin. So that's what I want to show. මට පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ ඒක. දැක්කද? See how he's doing. See how he's doing. I think that is the issue, right? So others, sorry. So please don't. I think you are trying with the second code that I have sent. මෙන්න මේ code එක try කරන්න. Just try with this code. Sorry, I have sent another code that is wrong. That second code I have sent is wrong, right? This is the correct code. Again, I have sent. Again, I have sent that is the correct code. It create a special folder called recycle bin. So I just wanted to say recycle bin is a special folder. Now others can also try. Okay, so I'll give the chance to someone else. Right. Okay, Shevin, can you share the stream? Shevin, can you share the stream?
Sir, my machine is slow.
It's slow. Jayindi, can you share? Sanulya? Seya? No one.
Yes, sir.
Can you share? Well, share කරොත් තමයි මට උදව් කරන්න පුළුවන්.
I can check.
Okay, Netun. Netun, do it. Right. Okay, right click, new folder. Just create new folder. And after that, give the code that I have given. Yenuki. Yes. Right, now you can see. Okay, that space you have to remove with that additional space. Just backspace. Then press the curly braces should be there. Close the curly brace. Close the curly brace. Curly brace right. Enter. Press enter. Right here you have created the recycle bin. So the Canada. Show it to others. Yes. Right. So recycle bin is a special.
I also got it now.
Right. Okay. That's what I say. So exactly copy and paste the same. Otherwise you won't get right. Right. Others can also try this. Okay. I just wanted to show you that recycle bin is a very special folder. That special folder keeps what it keeps. The files and folders which are temporarily deleted. If you want to delete that permanently, you can use what?
Control shift delete.
Shift delete. Yes. If you want to delete that permanently, you can press shift and delete. While holding the shift key, you can delete. Then, but remember that don't delete if you don't want to delete that permanently. If you want that back, don't press shift delete, because then the file will be permanently deleted. If you don't need this recycle bin, you can shift delete with it. Yes, press the shift key and delete. Shift key and delete. Both together. දෙකම press කරන්න recycle bin එකට shift එකයි delete එකයි. Yes, Netun. Shift key එකයි delete key එකයි. දෙකම එක සැරේ press කරන්න. Yes, please press both keys together. Then what will happen? Then it will be permanently shift and delete. Shift key ekai, delete key ekai. Then it will be permanently deleted. Yes, okay. So with that, I'll stop for today, Pute. Right, with that, I'll stop for today because we have come to the end of the lesson. Next day, we can start new lessons. So these are some other IDs. Right? These are some other IDs we can use. We can create history, administrative tools, fonts, or a network. My computer also you can create. My computer is also a special folder that also you can create. Right, these are the special IDs to create these folders. So that is a plus thing, right? Additionally, okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. Then see you all next day. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Good night, sir. Stay safe, sir.
Okay, stay safe. Bye.